Miss Brianna Armanzuni from Bansur National High School. So my question is, during the operation, how can you ensure that the government is maintains accountability and transparency?
Since yung Paxilica is, nag-participate yung Philippine dito, and actually hindi pa siya na-approve ng yung proyekto na ito, hindi pa na-approve. Then kailangan pa mag-undergo ng environmental assessment, and kailangan siguro ng DENR na sumusunod ito sa environmental laws and regulations. So wala pang concrete na source about sa initial plan, sa plan ng government about dito. Dahil ayun pa lang yung binababa ng informasyon, which is yung pag-participate ng Philippines sa Paxilica Initiative. US then Paxilica.